I really wanted to know how much of a difference does primer really make with mascara? So I'm going to put it to the test. I have the black Lash primer, and then I have the tubing mascara. So one eye I'm going to do with primer and mascara, and one just mascara, and let's just see, is there a dramatic difference? Okay, so this is the primer. I have a mirror right below my camera here, so I'm going to get up close to that and apply. Just primer, no primer, already a difference. It kind of looks like a coat of mascara. And now let's coat it with mascara. Wow. All right, I'm excited to see what it's gonna look like with just a coat of mascara versus the primer one. You can see already, look at the difference between no mascara, no primer, and the combo. A final reveal. I think the one with the primer is noticeably longer. One thing, I do think the mascara alone is fabulous. Like, you don't need to have primer because it's such a good mascara. But one thing I noticed when I was putting it on was that having that primer really helps separate each lash, because without it, my lashes tend to want to clump together. And I just felt like with the primer, it separates them. And then that gets it the ability to just get so long and luscious. So I'm going to say, I can totally tell the difference when you do the combination. And for me, this is the combination I'm going to stick with. And I think just getting the mascara is totally fine. But if you really want to see dramatic results, go for both.